I ordered a boosted board a while back, right? Like, it was like a month ago, it wasn't that long ago. I ordered a boosted board, I have one problem. I don't know how to ride a skateboard. So I was talking to my friend last night, and turns out this bozo, who don't even know how to ride a skateboard, got a skateboard at his house. So now I'm gonna have to learn how to ride a skateboard today. Let's go. Alright, so I'm at this guy's house now, right? And this skateboard, I thought it would be like a normal skateboard, but this shit, I see this shit, I'm scared of it.
They installed this shit. Whoever they installed this shit from, stole this shit from somebody. I stole this shit from Odin.
And now I'm not even saying I'm taking this shit. It's the same thing. Hey, listen, Akeem, you know for that skateboard?
Bust me out about that shit before.
So one thing, right? I don't want nobody to follow me. I'm not a skateboard professional or nothing, but I'm pretty sure you're supposed to wear a helmet. And homeboy don't have a helmet. So don't do what I do, because if I bust my ass, it's gonna be my fault. Let's go. Yeah, I got this.
You want to refer to skateboard? It's probably too big. There you go. That's the first good stuff. There you go. I think it's in here, right?
You gotta keep your foot, like right at the head of it. Right at where the wheels are. So that, because if you stand in the middle, it's gonna be wobbly when you're kicking yourself off. So you stand at the head right here.
Yeah, me used to
then you push off.
Me used to ride that shit enough.
Nigga, my first time I do like a straight line.
Nigga, me used to tell us about box behind that for that before. Like on the back line, you know, like.
Yeah, it's top, yeah. I ordered the boosted Mini S, so it's not gonna be as long as this. So hopefully that'll be a lot more easier to ride. But let's go again. Put your foot there, right, Jess.
No, but I don't want to fret that shit.
Free that?
Hell yeah.
Push yourself off. Free yourself a little bit and push yourself off. Alright, I'm going. In the direction you want to get tilted.
Look up.
See? It's not hard, right?
No.
I guess the more you do it, the better you get, I guess. I think I got the hang of it for the most part, I think. And hopefully, because the boosted Mini S is way smaller than this one. The boosted Mini S is probably like this. Not half of it, but like a quarter less, you know? Hopefully that's a lot easier to ride. I'm gonna continue getting my practice in. For the most part, right? I think for the most part I kind of got the hang of it. It's just the pushing off part that kind of gets me every time. But I'm getting the hang of it. I can learn this. If I can master it a little bit more, then I could like because my bicycle broke, so hopefully if I get the hang of this I could ride this to the gym. Even though it's kind of like walking in my opinion, because it takes a lot out of your legs. But if I can get this a little bit more, I could like ride it to the gym. That type of shit. But yeah, that's about it, guys. You know the regular stuff, man. Like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, we got the boosted Mini S footage coming soon, so wait for that.